everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1964 Chevrolet Nova 2 Super Sport. True Super Sport, guys. Very cool car, man. It's finished in amber red. It's got the matching red interior. Man, this is a fun car to drive. My buddy Scott is the one that actually tracked this car down for me. He had to drive it quite a ways back to his place down there in Tennessee. Car's from Kentucky, and he said you just got to go drive this thing. So I got it out and drove it. I'm telling you, man, this thing's a little baby doll. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight Kentucky body. Love the color combination. It's got the 15-inch steelies all the way around it with the poverty caps. They've lowered the car all the way around by 3 inches. Front sway bar on it, so it's like driving a go-kart, man. This thing drives out awesome. 350 crate engine, 700 R4 automatic, overdrive trans, AC. I mean, this thing is fun. He said the car was restored about 5 years ago. They didn't know exactly what the miles are. Since they got it done. You can see this has got the original trim, so it's showing a little wear, but pretty car, man. A couple little stone pecks. Bumpers are nice. Pretty car, man. Car's got a good look. It's just a little drip of something. Car sits good. It's fun to drive. Just a beautiful day in Michigan today to shoot a video, man. This is my kind of weather right here. Not too hot. Nice and sunny, a little breeze. This is cruising weather today. Matter of fact, I'm gonna jump in an old car tonight, take it out to a little local concert they're having here. Remember, I just got LED tail lights in it. That's a good looking car right there, man. I think those are two 3560 BFGs on the rear. It's got kind of the big and little look. That's a pretty car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching the website. I have bought about, I don't know, 10, 12 cars here in the last 4 or 5 days. So plenty of stuff coming. Crate 350, Edelbrock 4-barrel stock intake. Got a killer set of Chevrolet billet valve covers on it. It's got front disc brakes with drop spindles, headers. It's got an MSD ignition. You can see it's got vintage air blows cold. Car has cruise control, and yes, it works. Aluminum radiator up front here, 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans. That might not stay open. Yeah, it is. Okay. chrome's pretty nice. Stainless is nice on it. Door handles look new. It's like new door rubbers. Door skins are clean. I love the red on red. New carpet, new sill plates. They've definitely redone the interior. These are very comfortable. They've been all repatted, refoamed. Bucket seats. It's got a Lokar shifter in there, and I'll show you something when we get in here. Stock steering wheel. Temp gauge is actually under here. It's got a tach dash and gauges. Showing 11,320. I'm sure that's 111. Aftermarket radio. I didn't turn that on, but we'll check it. See that little cup holder there next? It's not a cup holder. It's actually for your phone, and doggone it, it works. So your phone's not sliding all around. Dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, no big gear, like a 323, nothing crazy. Definitely a car you can get on the expressway and cruise. That's a little lights there, guys. Steve's still got the numbers on your quarters. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Doors open and close, everything lines up good. I should say the doors open and close real nice. Clean underneath. A lot of questions on the coming through me on the internet. A lot of guys sending emails if I locate cars. No, guys, I just buy them. I like to say I have a real simple philosophy. I buy what I like. I buy what I would park in my driveway. You know, that way, hey, I just, you know, I own all the cars here. They're not on consignment. Like most of these places, I don't have 15 partners, just me and my wife here. So I just buy what I like. That way, if it doesn't sell, I'll just drive it. Let's get that MSD Pro Billet distributor. Again, air blows nice and cold. Love the valve covers in there. Air blows cold. Got it back on. That's just a sweetheart right there, man. That's just a nice car, man. Tach works. Like oil pressure gauge works. Fuel gauge is working. Again, your temp gauge is down here. Did you turn that radio on? I never turned it on. It works, yep. Okay. LED tail lights. Alright, we'll have to check that turn signal. I don't know why that turn signal is not working. Reverse lights. No, we don't have that. Give it a little rev on. Good running car. We'll have to check that left turn signal. Didn't want to flash. Flip that, turn that radio on.
Your furniture and
it works. Blower motor all works, and it works off the original switches, which is pretty cool. Right now, all you got to do is turn that to the right, and it kicks the air on. But yeah, it works off the original switches. I thought that was pretty cool. Wipers. Pull your headlights all the way. Pull your headlights all the way out. There you go. Turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to see the new stuff. That is a good looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.